thinking about technology and the power and impact it has for dyslexic people, it's so much more than just getting it right. It's about giving us the confidence to feel like we can do anything. There's not going to be something that I think I can't do because I'm not worried about the spelling anymore because I can dictate it. I'm not worried about whether or not my sentence sounds funky because I can listen to it back and double check. I'm not worried that that long email that I received, I can't really process because I can use Immersive Reader and shrink it down. To me, it's just feeling like the technology has my back and that I don't need to, exactly like you said, I don't need to worry anymore about my challenges.